Hello, this is Annika from Granite. This video is about how to fill in a risk form. In this video, we use Granite's Occupational Safety Assessment service. The same guidelines apply to other services where you can fill in a risk form. You can open a risk form in several different ways. In this example, we open Section 3's Risk Assessment from the main page and move to Risk Form tab. Here you can find all the risks that has been identified to this asset. In a previous video, we recognized the risk, but we only gave it a name. Click on that risk to open it. Now you need to fill in the other required information regarding the risk. Add additional information about the risk to Details field. Next, you need to evaluate the probability and severity of the risk. It's a 3-grade rating scale for both. You can find more details about the rating by clicking the Info button. Evaluate if the risk is improbable, possible, or likely. In this case, we choose possible. Do the same for impact. Select the impact of the risk. Is it minor, harmful, or severe? In this example, the risk is severe. In the next stage, we need to assign risk treatments to reduce the risks. Press Add button. Describe the risk treatment in the open model. Select a deadline by when should the treatment be ready. In this example, it's a week. Select the responsible person. The responsible person is either responsible for the execution of the treatment or otherwise in charge of the treatment. The service will automatically send an email to the responsible person about risk treatments assigned to them. In the comments field, the responsible person can describe how the risk treatment has been implemented. Once the risk treatment has been done, the person responsible for it can mark it done. When the responsible person has been selected, press Save. You can add more than one treatment to a risk if needed. To Notes field, you can write additional information about the risk. Select the owner of the risk. The owner of the risk is the person who is responsible for the risk. The owner keeps the data of the risk up to date and follows the progress of the risk treatment. The service will automatically send an email to the owner about risks assigned to them. At the end, there is the Status field where you mark the status of the risk. In order to move a risk to follow-up status, the above information fields needs to be filled. In this example, we set the risk to follow-up status. You can add attachments like photos related to the risks from the Attachment button. If there is Archive button on the form, you can archive the form by ticking the box. Archived risks are no longer visible or in processing unless you use a filter to bring them back up again. Before saving the risk form, check the buttons on the top of the form. You can print the form in a PDF format. From changelog, you can see the changes made, like old values, new values, the person who made the changes, and when. Delete form button deletes the risk. Press Save. Now you are done. Thank you for watching.